Welcome. Find a comfortable position in a quiet place away from any potential distractions. Sit in an upright posture with your spine extended upward, keeping the back, neck, and head straight. Rest your hands in your lap or on your knees, and when you are ready, close your eyes. Relax the shoulders. Relax all your muscles. Allow the body to settle into a place of calm. Shifting your attention to the breath, feeling each in-breath and out-breath. Noticing the way the air enters the body, travels down to the lungs, expanding your belly and chest, and comes back out again. Any sensation you experience in each moment, acknowledge it, accept it. Observe each breath without trying to adjust it, focusing on the rise and fall of the belly and chest, to the feeling of the air in the nostrils. Is it cool or warm? Is it tingling, swirling? Experience each breath any way it comes, one breath at a time. When one breath ends, the next breath begins. A harmonious cycle, allowing you to relax, to rebalance, to calm the body and mind. As you continue to feel each coming breath, notice if there are any sensations in the body that stand out to you. It could be tingling, itching, a tickle on the nose, a discomforting pain in the arm, tension in the neck. Notice if you feel warm, cold, or neutral. Observe any sensation in the body now, and even if you notice nothing at all, observe the absence of sensation here too, resting in this mindful awareness. And now, shift the attention from your breath to these sensations. Welcome these sensations with compassion and kindness. You can label these sensations as cold, tension, or even neutral. Continue to breathe here as you label each sensation, whatever it may be. As you label these sensations, feel them carefully, explore their presence in the body. Notice if there are any changes that occur. Are the sensations becoming better or worse? Perhaps they are constant. Try to hold a gentle and non-judgmental attitude towards these sensations. In a friendly manner, observe. Allow these sensations to simply be. Allow them space, without having the need to physically approach them. Gradually, these sensations will pass. If the sensations are too strong and pull away your focus from this practice, you may change your position and return to the breath. Don't allow the body to suffer during meditation. Find a place that is comfortable for you, making any adjustments here if needed, and coming back to the breath. Spending a few more moments observing the sensations in the body, being mindful and accepting. As this practice comes to an end, allow yourself to gently stretch. To reawaken the body back to your surroundings. Move your head from side to side. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Embrace the experience of staying with the body. And when you are ready, open your eyes.